ko kanina to ah.
Ayan, no? That's the one. That's the one. Aha, aha. Ay, okay. Aha, aha.
Baka may tao.
And nobody there so far.
Ay, kahit dyan.
But it's a high tide. I think they were there on that side. Pero it's a high tide.
Ay, tabayin mo.
Let's see.
Saan? Ayan, dito tayo dadaan. Diba? Para makapag-drone pa tayo. Bawal mag-bonfire. Dito na lang tayo. Huwag na tayo mag-canopy.
Briquettes naman yung gamit natin.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Medyo mahirap lang siyang pababa. Pero okay naman yung view. Actually, dito na lang kaya, dito, para tago yung paghihawan natin. Ayan,
Yeah, pero dito tayo uupo.
yeah. Ito nga ang Chilliwack Lake. Napakakalma ng tubig at napakaganda rin ng tanawin. Swerte na lang namin dahil kami ang nauna dito. Bali, alas 12 na nga ito ng tanghali. Diba?
Magandang dali dito yung boat.
Ha?
Magandang dali dito yung boat. What do you call it?
Castle
From what?
and BC Ferry.
Busy
Where's your sleeper? Where's your sleeper now?
Okay, let's see. Smash. Let's smash. Woohoo!
Buti nila umabol to nung kahapon ano.
Just one egg.
Ito lalagyan ng isda oh. Yung iihawin mo.
Ano ko para sa ilalim?
Hindi, wag na. Wag mo palalagyan ng ganyan sa ilalim. Oh, maganda rin siya. Yeah. Oo. Oh, di ba? Meron na tayong ihawan. There you go. Oh, sa ibabaw. Oh, ang cute.
Oh, gamitin mo to.
Wala tayong tong, kaya kakamayin na lang. Dahil wala tayong pampadingas kaya dito na lang. Oras kaya tayo makakain na ito. Hindi mo na balik ito. It's okay. It's just $16. Ay, ito pala ang gamit na ito. There you go. Okay sana pag wala itong mga bato-bato, pwede maglaro senso dito. Okay lang. Ouch. It's hot.
Lagay mo na.
Careful. Oh yeah. You're still there. Come on. You're still there. Let's go.
Okay.
Mami, nandun pa sila. Narinig ata yung balak mo lumipat doon. Bigla nagsalita yung lalaki. Okay na tayo dito. Maganda naman dito. There's the boat. Anod ka.
Malaki yun eh.
Going to fly a drone. You want that?
Yes, sir. Hey, move your slipper.
Face here, face here. So mommy can wash your back.
Wash your hair.
Okay, I'm gonna carry you.
Gross. Yeah, falling forward.
Okay, hold on.
Forwards.
I'm gonna carry you. You're so big.
You're big
So big and
boy.
heavy. So big and heavy. Hold on. Put up. Fish there. I'm gonna carry you. Saan natin siya lalagay?
Hey, hey,
Ha? Saan? Diyan na? Okay.
Go, 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 go! Whoa!
You're so heavy.
Your muscle?
Yes.
Go, go, go!
Enzo, you're eating again?
I'm eating corn.
Eating corn again? Look at the camera. Here. Uy. Isa na namang masayang araw ang nagdaan. Na-reset na naman ang puso't isipan. Hanggang sa susunod na video. Maraming salamat!